Welcome, in front of me I have Oppo Reno 4Z, and today I'll show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. You have to go for the settings. Right now we have to find home screen and the lock screen. And scroll down to go for the wallpapers. Pick static or live wallpapers, you have to decide. I'm going to pick static. Let's change our wallpaper, for example, for this one. Click apply and choose lock screen. Take a look right now, our home screen wallpaper is the same, and when we go for this one, as you can see, there it is, and the lock screen wallpaper has changed. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.